فهل من مدكر. So is there one to heed to the advice? Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners from Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. Remember the following important points. Most of the Arabic words started with Alif Lam and these words are used repeatedly. So, memorization of these words and their meanings made understanding of Quran easy. Number 2. If the last alphabet of Arabic words which are started with Alif Lam not have any Zer Zabar Pesh, they will be pronounced with Pesh as Al-Khaliqu, Al-Mu'minu. Number 3. Some Arabic words ended on Golta. These words are feminine words like Az-Zakatu, Al-Maghfiratu. Now we will start with our lesson. Second, please repeat these words at least 5 times to memorize. Al-Hajju, Hajj. Al-Kalamu, speech. Ar-Rasulu, messenger. Al-Amlu, work, deed. Al-Qamaru, moon. Al-Masjidu, mosque. Al-Ibnu, son. Al-Izzatu, glory. Al-Maghfiratu, forgiveness. At-Tulu'u, rising. Al-Ayah, the verse. Al-Marazu, illness. Al-Mujahidu, spiritual fighter. Al-Jihadu, spiritual fight. An-Nabiyyu, prophet. Al-Adlu, justice. Al-Arshu, throne. Al-Yatimu, orphan. Al-Mizanu, scale. Thank you very much till my next lecture. Khuda Hafiz.